So Wall Street's newest pastime of guessing how many times the Federal Reserve will hike rates is about as much fun as watching a puppy chase its tail. And while we get some laughs and giggles from watching Fido, with the Fed guessing game, all we get is dizzy. The hype has been so intense, there's a jitteriness out there that makes us second guess every report. Is good news bad news, and should we really be rooting for bad stuff to happen to the economy? You know, I only learned today the term removing the punch bowl goes back to 1955 when Fed Chairman William Mackenzie Martin quipped, quote, "The Fed is in the position of the chaperone who has ordered the punch bowl removed just when the party was really warming up." Man, those are really quaint days, weren't they? It might, in fact, be time to update the term because what this market is on is something a whole lot stronger than you would find in any punch bowl. And by the way, the party warmed up a long time ago. The thing is, the party has been a blast, though, for those who have been able to put on their dancing shoes. And we're talking trillions of dollars that have been created out of thin air. It's driven household net worth up to 6.5 times GDP. Everything's booming. The stock market, housing market, commodities, art, watches, NFTs, baseball cards. Everything's booming, and there are hordes of folks who want to get in on the game. So clearly, Powell and company, they wanted to wait out inflation. It's the beast, though, that keeps feeding on itself. It's the main tributary to all of this. So maybe people have to stop buying things. Maybe the supply chain will get better. Maybe the job market will tighten up. Maybe, but there hasn't been enough time. That was, of course, a great hope for the Federal Reserve, and probably many still believe that could be it. Here's the big thing. They cannot dismantle this great experiment. There's just simply too much at stake. Unraveling the wealth effect is too dangerous of a gambit. I know on Wall Street, this is the number one pastime, the number one parlay game. The best you can see is the Fed jawboning this market down from time to time, and maybe a couple of rate hikes, but they are not going to remove the punch bowl or whatever else we should be calling it these days.
I don't have to undress me. Yeah, baby. It must have been love, but it's
Stay the night with me.
must have been